So we get our pan and place our parchment paper over our pan. And then what we'll do is we will get our chicken that we have put the Parmesan cheese and the egg into and place it in the middle of the parchment paper. And this is where the fun is. You get to kind of play with it to get it into a solid form. So you just kind of mash it up, try to get it as flat as you can while still trying to squeeze it together. Let's move over here. And then we will place that in the oven. Another reason why we should be prepared. So while we're waiting for that to warm up, we could wash our hands again and start washing the dishes that we use. That way we make great stuff with our time. It's great use of our time. So before we put dishes in the dishwasher, we want to take a sponge or a rag of some sort, clean them out properly. We do not load the dishwasher with dirty dishes. And load the dishwasher. And then we take our recyclable here, rinse it out. And then we're going to place it in the recycling bin. We are now going to place the chicken crust into the oven. And wait. So now that it's been about 10 or 15 minutes, it's been 13 minutes to be exact, we are going to check on our chicken crust and take it out. There's a lovely ding on the stove. So, the type of pizza that I'm going to personally be making today is just a cheese pizza. So you get the marinara pizza squeeze from any grocery store and any type of cheese you would like. Now, you can also do any kind of pizza with this chicken crust. So if you like chicken barbecue, you could have barbecue sauce, and then you would put your cheese and onions and peppers and stuff like that. But in this case, we are going to do just a cheese pizza. So we're going to get a spoon and squeeze our marinara sauce on our crust. And we'll take the bottom of the spoon and kind of spread it across the pizza. The chicken crust, I apologize. And we're going to put that in the sink. And then we will take our cheese. And then we're going to just sprinkle lightly over the sauce. Now we are going to place it back into the oven for another 5 minutes, just because it's just cheese. If it had more toppings, I would suggest probably 7 to 10 minutes, but because it's just cheese, probably just another 5 minutes. That kitchen timer does not work. So we will go off the timer, off of my watch. Here. Okay, now that it's been 5 minutes, we will get our little mousy things over here. They're little mousy hot mitts. And we will take out our pizza. Ooh, it's still hot through the hot mitts. Ooh, I don't know if I like these hot mitts. These are still very hot. We're going to get our pizza cutter and then slice our pizza. And this is how you have a high protein, low carb cheese pizza.